Hey guys, my name's Adrian. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and be sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps grow the channel, and you'll be in tune with my future videos on me modifying my 2016 Mazda 3. I have step-by-step videos on how to install certain modifications. With that said, today's video, I will be installing side marker lights. However, I won't show the step-by-step installation because I do have a video on that already. So be sure to go check that out. I'll leave a link down in the description for that one. More specifically, these are from Amazon by LED Tops or Lead Tops, however they pronounce them. So the items that come in this package are a remote to change the light settings, so on off, the brightness up and down, white, and then of course the RGB colors, the flash, strobe fade, and smooth. And of course this is wireless, so you can change the colors from inside your car or wherever you decide to put these. But I'll be putting these on the side marker lights on my car. And it comes with 3 bulbs. I guess just in case if one of them goes out, you can replace the one. And this is what they look like. You can see that there's 4 LED chips here, 4 here, and then 2 here. Now obviously these do color change, and once I get them installed, I will show you each color and each effect and how the brightness works on them, because I am doing this at night so you can see them better than the daytime. So let's get these installed really quick and I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, so before you install these lights, they are polar sensitive, so be sure that they are facing the right way before you install them. But this is what they look like. This is the white color. I'll show you red. So you have like a demon eye effect. You have green. You have blue. And then all the colors in between. So I'm pressing all these colors right now. So here's the flash. You imagine it just flashes between red, green, and blue. And then I'm not sure how the strobe fade works. I just pressed it, and I guess it just changes colors. I don't know why they're separate colors. This one's green and that one's red. Oh, it changes. So I think I figured out how this strobe fade works, this middle button. I think every 5 seconds they just change colors. So right now it's like ice blue, and now it's white. I'm not pressing a button. So now they're changing back to ice blue and white and red, green. I don't know why it went that quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna press smooth. And smooth is not that smooth, I guess. It's like flashing like a strobe light or something, like police lights or something. Then it changes purple for some reason. So I'm just gonna press white. This is white, then red. Hold on. So red, green, blue, and then the brightness down. I'm gonna turn it down. So I'm turning the brightness down, and then I'm gonna turn it back up. So yeah, these things are pretty bright. So yeah, I think I like these a lot. I think I like these a lot because they are very bright, and you can change between the colors. So like if you're going for like a demon eye look, you can change it to red, or maybe just like an aesthetic look. Change it to purple or magenta, whatever this is, or blue, whatever color you're feeling that day, I guess. Yellow. I think this one's orange. Oh, that one's purple. And this is what they look like when you have LED headlights. So you can still see the purple here. That one's purple. And now they're red. Now they're green. Now they're blue. Now they're yellow. And then now they're white, just like the headlight. And then I'm going to press the flash. So that's the, hold on, timer went out. So that's the flash. This is the strobe fade. Again, I don't know how this one works because it just changes colors like every 5 seconds. So it just changed from green to blue, and then this is smooth. I don't know how that's smooth because it's like rapid. But yeah, this is, I think they're pretty cool. I think I'll keep them on red for now. Because that's the color of my turn signal. I'll show you with my turn signal on. So you can see I also have LED turn signals. If you want to know how to install those without HyperFlash, I'll throw a link down in the description for that video as well. But you can see that they're red and red. I really like that combination because it's like more like a demon eye look, like I said. So yeah guys, that's my video. That's my review for these. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to every single one of you. Again, please like the video and subscribe for future videos like these, because I do have some more modifications that I do want to do in the future. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.